Yes, it may be difficult, but you are well able. Make up your mind, you are in it for the long haul. Be stubborn when it comes to not giving up. If you'll do this, I believe and declare, like Elisha, you're going to see double favor, double honor, double resources. God's going to open doors no man can shut and take you to the fullness of your destiny.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do right now to make $20. I know a lot of y'all think a lot of this stuff out here scams, but no, I have proof that you can't get paid. Only thing you need is just a computer or a cell phone, 2 valid email addresses, a debit card with at least $1 on it, and a valid phone number. If you got all those things, you guys, we can go make some money. The only thing you have to do now is just click that link below. If you click that link below, it's going to direct you to a website just like this, and we're actually going to sign up for a website called NGO. NGO is a cool referral website where you can come in here, you can try products and offers, but the cool thing about it, they're giving people $10 just for signing up. You guys, when my friend put me in front of it, I knew I had to jump on it. Free $10. I love free money, but I'm actually show you how to make another $10. Just give me a second. But yes, you sign up through my link. Just put your name and your email address, and click the start earning today button. It is gonna take you over to another page where you can put in your information about your debit card as well. And it don't matter what kind of debit card it is. It could be a prepaid card, credit card, bank card. I actually use my Chime card. I know somebody who signed me up used the Simple card, so they was like, my Chime card just as good. So make sure you have a debit card on it. Make sure you have a $1 on it. You don't need to need it right now, but make sure you have it. So once you get in, I'm gonna just you should see your back office should look something like this. As of right now, you see I've earned $21.25. I'm going to show you the exact same thing, how to do that. So you should be already qualified to get that $10. And if it says again, you need a what link did you go through, just come back to my YouTube, grab that link, copy and paste that link. You should be able to get your bonus. If you have any issues, you shouldn't have any issues, but once you get signed up, you should come down right here where it says feature product. This is where we want to go sign up to. This is where our $1 coming to. It's gonna go towards a roadside assistant company. You guys, we're gonna get a roadside assistant for $1 per week. You know what I'm saying? Just for $1 per week, you will be covered for the 24-hour roadside assistant. Just as amazing. And then the cool thing about it, we can always cancel. So make sure you write this number down. Write this number down. And right here, just put in your name, your last name. But this email address, should be that second email address I told you to have. Remember, 2 email addresses, one for the NGO and the other one for this roadside assistant company. Make sure you put that in there and your zip code and click continue. And it's going to redirect you to another page where you put in your debit card information. It could be that same debit card, and make sure it just have that $1 on it, and purchase. And once you do that, you just come over here, back over here, and maybe I think it's like a day, 24 hours, you're gonna see the money into your account. Not only is just right here. Let me come over here to my Chime account, log into Chime, and just show you this is real deal. You guys, you see right here, 24th, today 25th, so it took like a day. You guys deposited right into my account. Proof is in the pudding. So you guys, if you want the free money, go ahead, go get it. Download the app. Not download, but just click the link below. Sign up. Once you sign up, come over here to the roadside assistant, click that, get signed up, and it's easy money. So hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.